Welcome traders, Dr. Keith here. It is July 28th, 1:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we've got 3 minutes to FOMC. So I like to kind of show you how I use my trading system to trade FOMC, okay? It's a very high probability setup, and I just thought I'd walk you through it as it happens, okay? And you can check some of my previous YouTubes as well for this. So this is the 5-minute chart, and this is the 1-minute chart, okay? And I use Hackenacci candles with Laguerre RSI and a few other things, divergence and so forth, but not important right now, more conceptually on how I do this. And then if you're interested, you can always reach out, okay? But so as we get close to the announcement, again, I'm not doing anything, right? I'm not going to get into a new position here. Once the 5-minute bar opens up, the new bar, same thing. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to let it gap up or down, whatever the heck it wants to do, okay, based on the FOMC decision. And then if it gaps up, okay, I'll look to enter long once I get a pullback on the 1 minute. If it goes down, same thing. I'll look to go short once we get that move down, pull back, and then move back down. And I'll show you how that's going to work here as we open up here, okay? So we've got 13:59 left here. So 25, 26, 27, we got about 30 seconds before the news hits, okay? So again, I'm not going to do anything right away. Just kind of see what happens, and then I'll explain as it picks up. Okay, so we're going right in with 5 seconds to the Fed announcement. All right, so the new candle opened up here. You can see initially it's coming lower, but we're going to see how this kind of works out here over the next few minutes. Okay, the market wants to head lower as of right now. Okay, this is the open of the candle. This red line is a close because I'm using a Hackenacci candle, but I want to know what actual price is doing as well. Okay. I'm going to pause this, and the reason why I'm waiting a couple more minutes, I want to see it do its thing, and then we'll look to go in the direction of the move with the pullback, but no reason for you to watch open air time. So I'm just going to pause this, and I'll keep doing that as I want to talk. Okay, so we still have you can see right here, the new 5-minute bar hasn't opened up. It is 2:03 now. And now we're getting into doji, but green Hackenacci. So if it continues like this, what I'll be looking for is a pullback on the 1 minute and then look to go long. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at this point. This is an indecisive candle though so far. So we want to see some more data. Okay, so again, I'm going to pause this and I will come back. You can see it's now 2:05, and the new Hackenacci 5-minute bars opened up nice and bullish. So definitely what I'm looking for is the next pullback on the 1 minute, look to go long on a retracement back up. And I'll show you how that'll happen here. I'm going to pause that until we get closer. Okay, so now you see we got the pullback, and now we've got the the movement in the direction we're looking on the 1 minute. So I'm going to go long. Okay, so I'm fill rate at 43.9250. And I'll keep it live now since I'm in that trade. So again, you can see we have that solid 5-minute Hackenacci. It's going higher, folks. It's going higher. If it breaks below this low here, I'm out. Okay, but you need to give it room on announcement. Okay, that's the bottom line. So do it proportionally to your risk tolerance. What I like to do as well is with the Laguerre, when it starts coming back up, I like to even add into my position, folks. But again, I do that originally with my overall position size. I don't go in full size if I know I may do that, right? So you got to play that smart as well. All right, so what I'm also going to do is add in 2 more to my position right here at the market, basically. Okay. Because now we got the Laguerre heading back up. Solid 5-minute Hackenacci, folks. Again, this is going to go higher. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll take a certain amount off. So I'll take some off here. And then from there, I'll follow it up. Okay. All right, so we're getting very close to hitting my first profit target. You can see right over here. All right, so now the risk is out of the trade. Again, what I'm going to do is just kind of keep following it up. The last two part of my position there. One way of doing that is, again, just putting your stop at maybe right here, break even +2 on the remaining, and then you can follow it up, or you can, depending on your risk tolerance there. But again, this is again, go back and look at some of my past live videos with FOMC. This is one of my favorite. I wish I had this every week, right? But you can make some good money on it. And here I only did 2 contracts and added in 2. But now I'm just going to keep it a break even +2 and see if we can hold on. Either stop me out with another small win, already making some money, or if it continues higher, then I can turn that into a bigger win. So we'll just see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this open for everybody. So another thing, again, a couple more ticks up, I can continue to follow that, or you can just leave it, okay? And so from there, I'm basically just going to leave it at this point, and that way you know it can continue higher. But solid Hakanachi there. A nice move. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. You can see the link if you're interested in purchasing my day trading system. But you know, we're up $525 in 9 minutes using this type of system. It's very effective. Hope you enjoy. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this at this point. And again, all right, folks. So I moved my stop up a couple more. And now I'm just going to kind of keep it here and let it ride out. And you can see what we're up here, $550 in 9 minutes. So again, very high probability trade. If you're interested in learning this trading system, please reach out. There's a link in the YouTube as well. Other than that, folks, best of luck. Take care.